Hey guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete an Instagram account. Watch the full video without skipping so that you can understand better. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Now you can see that I have an account named Demo Account YT. For deleting this, first of all, you need to go to Google and search Instagram. Click the first link and sign in your account. Go to your profile and click Edit Profile. Scroll down and select Temporarily Disable My Account. From the next page, click the top link and type permanent instead of temporary. Select the reason for disabling your account. You will be asked to re-enter your password. After entering, click Delete. You will be given a month time if you wish to get your account back. Your account will not be visible until you log in again. So that's it. You are done. For more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out any videos.